As you can see, my workshop is a real mess right now. I'm going to clean it up and divide the stuff I find in 2 groups. 3 groups. 1 to keep, 2 to sell, and the rest goes in the bin. And I'm very excited to see for how much I can sell the stuff I don't really need anymore. So let's go. I can definitely sell this one. Do have to clean it up though. These bins are kind of nice to keep. I'm trying to store everything in containers like that, so I'm going to sell these as well. I have a couple more of them, so let's check out these drawers of my workbench. So those I'll keep, of course. What's this? A dwell tester. Let's see if I can sell it. My epoxy drawer. Got some color pigments and stuff in here. There. Oh boy. I'll have to sort these all out. I'll do it off camera. What do we got over here? Nothing I want to get rid of. My dominoes. Don't want to get rid of those. And this is my Craig jig drawer. Nothing to get rid over there. Let's dig through this pile of wood over here. I'll check what I can use in other projects, and what I can't use I'll burn in the stove. So let's go. And I got another bin over here. There's also a lot of random stuff in it I didn't clean up before. So I managed to find some other stuff. So everything on the table is to sell. So I found a miter saw, some of these bins I was talking about, a couple of more extra plastic bins, a scroll saw, my old router, which doesn't work anymore, the plunge function is disabled, a vintage sander, which I don't use anymore, a very vintage drill I don't use anymore, an old oscillating sander I don't use anymore, an empty case. Those are the wrenches in here, so I won't show them again, and this grinding wheel over here. So I'm going to try and sell it. Let's see if I can make some extra money from it.
So if you like my acting skills, please subscribe to my channel. But all kidding aside, I sold the grinder for 30 bucks, the wrenches for 10 bucks, the dwell meter for 5 bucks, the vintage drill for 20 bucks, the oscillating sander for 10 bucks, the empty case for 5 bucks, the vintage sander for 20 bucks, the scroll saw for 35 bucks, the router went for 40, the plastic bins went for 20 bucks, the wooden bins went for 30 bucks, and the miter saw for 20 bucks.
So wow, I didn't know I had all that stuff laying around. And I didn't know I could sell it for that much. Well, if you got some stuff laying around, try and sell it. It's an easy way to make an extra buck. And in the meantime, watch this video next because YouTube thinks you will like it.